If your Chevy Colorado just cranks but won't fire up, don't panic. It might be a simple fuel issue. Here's what to check first. First, check if you have enough gas in the tank. It sounds basic, but an empty tank is an easy fix. Next, listen when you turn the key. Do you hear a humming sound from the back? That's the fuel pump. If it's silent, the pump could be dead or the fuse blown. Now move on to the fuel filter. If it's clogged, your engine won't get the gas it needs. Filters should be changed regularly. Check your manual for the right schedule. Another common reason? A bad fuel pressure regulator. If this fails, your Colorado might get too little or no fuel. Sometimes, a faulty relay or wiring can also stop fuel from reaching your engine. Lastly, modern trucks have a security system. If it's triggered, it might block the fuel system to prevent theft. Look for a flashing security light on your dash. To sum up, start with the easy stuff, gas level and the fuel pump sound. Then check the filter, regulator, and relays. If you're still stuck, call a pro. Keeping your fuel system healthy helps your Chevy Colorado stay on the road. Good luck and drive safe.